Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make this advanced scroll effect using Motiopage. This can be done with any page builder of your choice, but I used Elementor Page Builder in this video. You can show these cards as your services, portfolios, or even featured products and categories, so anyone can use this layout according to their design and layout. Let's get started. Let's start by adding a new page. Give it a name. I am setting the template to Elementor Canvas to start with a blank page. Publish the page and click Edit with Elementor. I just copied a section from another page in order to have some space for scroll. Let's add a container and make it full width. Also set the minimum height to 100 VH. And give it a background color of your choice. Add some content in the section according to your design and style it accordingly. I am just adding some dummy content. Now add a container and make it full width as well. And add 5 more containers inside this container and set its direction to row horizontal. Click on the first container and set its height to 80 VH. After that, go to Style and give it a background according to your design. I am giving it a video background in this example, and then style the content. And give this first container a class by going into Advanced Settings. We will target this class in Motiopage for animation. Also give a unique ID to the parent container, as we will pin this container while scrolling. I will also rename the containers for better understanding while editing. Also give top and bottom padding to the main container. Now duplicate the first inner container 4 more times and delete the empty containers, and update the content of each card accordingly. I will speed up this process. As the cards look squeezed, so in order to expand the card's width, I will give a width of 180% to the main container, and also to the container which contains the 5 cards. So each card will have roughly 35% of width. Now the content will overflow, but we can easily fix it by setting the overflow hidden for the main container. So click on main container and go to additional options, and set the overflow to hidden. I will duplicate the first dummy section and will paste it under the scroll section to see the scroll properly. Let's update the page and see it on the front end. Now let's open the motion page and create a new timeline. Give it a name and select the page from the drop-down. Also set the trigger to scroll trigger and click on Lock to Scroll Bar. And also click on Pinned Element. And for the pin selector, copy the ID which we gave to the card's container and paste it in the pin selector. And set the start reach value to 10% and ends reach value to -200%. Then scroll down and copy the class which we gave to the cards and paste in the animation selector. and then click on Translate and give the X value to 120 VW. This value will depend on the width of your design section, so you can give it accordingly. I am also setting the animation duration to 2 seconds, so the animation will start from the X value of 120 VW. Now click on To option and click on Translate and give value to X of -120 VW. Now, in order to scroll each card separately, we will add stagger as well. So scroll down and click on Stagger option and give each value 0.1 seconds, and set the easing to none. Now let's check the animation on the front end. It looks great. Go back to the page and give a unique ID to the main container, as we will be changing the background color of the main section while scrolling. Now we will change the background color for each card when it will scroll to middle of the section. So scroll the card from where you want to change the background color and add a new animation node. And make it small for like 0.1 seconds. And for this node, copy the ID of the main container and paste it in the animation selector. And then select the To tab and scroll down until you see an option for background color, and give it a color of your choice. Then simply duplicate this new node and drag it to the right where you want to change the color for the second card. Now I will quickly copy the required colors and will adjust the nodes on the timeline according to the card's scroll location. Let's save the timeline and check the page from the front end. Now I will explain why I gave the ends reaches value of -200%. So if we give it a value of, let's say, 0, then the whole scroll animation will happen in one mouse scroll, which will be pretty fast. So in order to scroll it slowly, we will have to give a high negative value. So that's it. This is how you can make an advanced scroll animations for your sections like services, portfolios, featured products, etc. If this video helps you in any way, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if this video gets 500 likes, then I will show how to make this mobile responsive as well. Thanks for watching.